Hey, did you forget something? I'm not going to school empty! Wait, are you talking? Yes, and we got a checklist to sing. Ready, kids? Zipper, zip, zip, sound. First we need our pencil case, zipped up tight in its place. Do we have our notebook too? What else should we bring for school? Cue up, kids! What do you write with at school? Pencil! Pack it up, pack it right, backpacks talking all night. Zip it here, zip it there, everything goes everywhere. Funny zipper, zip, 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 in rhythm with the music. Funny zipper, zip, 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 in rhythm with the music.
Lunchbox ready, sandwich inside, juice box too for the ride. Don't forget your crayons, bright, we'll need them for art time, right? Cat.
What do we color with?
Cat.
Toss them in.
Clink, as if crayons hit the inside of a bag.
Drama twist. Pack it up, pack it right, backpacks talking all night. Zip it here, zip it there, everything goes everywhere.
Kids pretend to pack items around them while singing. Kids pretend to pack items around them while singing.
One last check, kids.
Ready? Call and response game.
Shoes.
On.
Hat.
On.
Homework.
In.
Smile.
Big.
School bell rings.
Marching beat.
Pack it right, backpacks talking all night. We're off to school. Hooray, hooray.
We're ready
to start our day.
Footstep march and zipper closing sound. Footstep march and zipper closing sound. Thanks for helping, kids. You made me the happiest backpack in the world. See you after school with ukulele strut.